Huwag mo akong i-English dyan.
Hi.
Ay,
Do you want to play?
no.
Okay, that's fine. Where are you from, lady?
Laguna.
Okay. Are you like an actress?
Hi.
You look like an actress.
I'm not an actress. Stop talking.
Okay. No, no, no. How about the model? Are you a model?
No. Hi.
Okay. What do you do in life?
I say hi. Nothing. How?
Just doing TikTok live?
Yes.
Hey, one of my viewers right now, Oishi, said that you are pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Are you a student?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me more about yourself? Like what do you do, your hobbies? What is that? What do you do in life aside from being a student?
Wala.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay, okay,
Nothing.
okay. Hey, how do you pronounce your name? Lyle? Lyle?
Liel.
Liel. Oh, saan ka sa Laguna, Liel?
Oh. Oh. Baliw ka. No, i-English. Tapos yung pala, hindi pala Englishero. Wag na nga yan, inipat mo na.
Liel, saan ka sa Laguna?
Secret.
Secret,
Yeah.
secret. Oy, baka kapitbahay tayo. Nandito ako sa Santa Rosa ngayon.
Malayo ako dyan.
Okay. Joy, nainis yung kapatid niya.
Sirens.
Guys,
Sirens.
times 3, guys. Come on.
Look
Maybe
at
we
the
can
map.
snap her 7 winning streak, guys. Let's snap her 7 winning streak, okay? Na-prank naman. Hey, John. Hello, John. Welcome, John. Hey, Leo.
Hey, William.
I forgot to tell you. Tariq. Hello, Tariq. Welcome back, Tariq.
Huwag mo akong i-English dyan.
What do you mean? I don't get it.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Joy! Thank you so much. Ja. Heart the live, Ja, please. Taga-Kabuyaw daw si Ja. Guys, nasa Santa Rosa ako ngayon. Oo.
Okay din po.
Sa may Garden Villas. Joy! Thank you so much, Joy, for the roses.
Gamer talaga.
Come on, guys. Guys, I want to snap her 7 winning streak and let's see her reaction. I want to see her face.
Gan.
Hey, Leo, i-upload ko tong recording, Leo, sa page ko. Te.